What's poppin', Mayhem Goddess crew? In today's video, I will be showing you how I do my brows at home to save myself a little bit of money, and how I go from these really busted brows to very glamorous brows, as you will. So let's go ahead and get it poppin'. Brows, you are going to need some rubbing alcohol, some cotton balls, some precision Q-tips, that's the one with the angle on the end, some hair removal cream. I chose to do this, although I'll tell you more about this later, but any type of removal things of your choice. Some developer, and however you are going to dye your eyebrows or tint your eyebrows. I got this off of Amazon, the link is down below. Some tweezers to clean up. This one has a light on it. Brushes. I have a flat brush and an angled brush. Preferably a glass dish. I got this from one of my candles. It was a candle lid, so I just use it for my eyebrows now and wash it off. So this is glass. Don't use plastic or else it'll melt. And of course, in this bowl is just some warm water, nothing special, so we can wipe all this off. Originally, I would do this in the bathroom, but since I'm showing you how I do it, I have a glass or a bowl of warm water with me. So the first thing we're going to do is take a cotton swab and we're going to clean off any dirt, oil, or moisturizer. You come in and use your facial Nair, you won't get any type of reaction from it. I'm just going to tell you now, consult your doctor or do a patch test before you use this. You will not blame me for the rash on your face. Just saying. So while that is drying, I'm going to go ahead and take my little glass dish and I'm going to put some Nair in there. And then we're going to get started on carving out these brows. So it's at this point where you need to decide on what do you want your eyebrow shape to be. You can have a high arch, low arch, Groucho Marx, or Angry Birds. Considering I've been doing my eyebrows like this for about 2 years now, I am going to go for the high arch. Now, what you want to do is, if you're a beginner, you can trace out your eyebrows as if you were going to fill them in, like you're doing your makeup. And then you could take your Nair and then you could place it on the outskirts of where you traced it at. But considering I said I've been doing this for a while, I kind of have my eyebrow shape, so I'm going to go for a high arch. So I told y'all a bitch can't see. Literally. So please excuse my mirror if I'm all up in here. But I want to make sure I get this right, because once you take it off, there's no going back. So I'm going to go ahead and gently fill this in with my Nair in my flat brush and go ahead and start carving out my brow. That's the hair that I don't want. Then once you're done with that, it should look a little bit something like this. So you're going to leave this on your face for about 10 to 5 minutes. And then you are going to wipe it off. So I will see you back in, it takes about 5 minutes for mine to happen. As be back. So now at this point, what you're going to want to do is go on ahead and wipe this off with your warm water and a damp cloth or paper towel. And reveal your new shape. So when you're done, they should look something like this. You may have to go in twice and do it, but what you're going to do is take your tweezers and you're going to start to clean up any of the areas that they miss. You don't want to put this on your face too much or else it'll probably start to burn you. So take your tweezers and start to pluck out the pieces that it's missed to further define on what you want. So after tweezing, this is what I have, my nice high arch. Don't worry about that dip. I have always had that dip there. I don't know, but this is where we are going to go into our tint. So let me get that prepared and I'll show you how I tint my brows. So depending on how long you leave this on is up to you. The longer you leave it on, the darker it get. The lesser you leave it on, the lighter they would get. So what I did was go ahead and trace out my eyebrows as even as I can get them. And I kind of feather it in the center, so therefore they're not so dark so it doesn't look like it was like, bitch, there, I stamped them on. Don't want that. I wanted a nice little gradient from light to darkest, so I kind of feathered it and then clean it up with our precision eyebrow, well, they're not eyebrows, but precision Q-tips with the point at the end of them, and cleaned up any spaces that I might not like. And that was it. Now I'm gonna let mine sit on for about, I'm gonna try for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to wipe them off and reveal our new brows. Now taking a damp cloth, go on ahead and start wiping it off very well to make sure that you got all the developer and the dye off. And this will stain your skin a little bit, but not really bad. This wasn't a makeup tutorial, but just a brow tutorial on how I show you how I do my brows at home. So you let me know if you would be doing this at home by your lonesome. It's really easy.
Do not be scared.
And until next time, it's been me, your girl, Mayhem Beauty, and I hope you do your brows at home. See you later. Bye.